Hello, welcome. Here's a quick video on setting the time on your Samsung microwave. If you notice, there is on the power level button, there is a clock with a 3-second mark. This is the button you want to press and hold for 3 seconds to set the time. So I'm going to press and hold. Now you can go ahead and enter the time that you wish. The power level button you want to press again. This will allow you to toggle between AM and PM. So that locks in the time. Just hit the power level again, and as you can see, you can switch between AM and PM. And then once you're satisfied with the time, just hit the start button to lock that in, and your clock is now set.